Hi guys, you are probably here because you are looking for an in-depth and honest free cash review, so you are in the right place. In this free cash review, we are gonna run through exactly what is free cash, how does free cash work, how much money can you make on free cash, is it legit or is it one of the scam sites to stay away from, and what is my advice. This way you could decide if this website is worth joining. So if you are interested, keep watching, and otherwise smash that like button, obviously it helps the algorithm. Thank you. Now, if you don't know what free cash is, it's what's known as Get Paid to Site or GPT site. Founded in 2020, is one of the fastest growing websites to make money online. You can earn money on filling out surveys, completing tasks, sign ups, or playing games. Free Cash has put its focus on having the highest payouts, instant cash outs, low minimum withdrawals, and international sign ups. So how does Freecash work? Like other survey sites, Freecash is simple to use. All you need to do is register for a free account, answer a few demographic questions, and start taking surveys and completing tasks. With a lot of these surveys, you will see them available in your dashboard, but you won't actually be able to qualify for a lot of them. This is one of the downsides. However, after completing enough tasks to rack up at least 10 cents, you will be able to cash out your earnings via a variety of options. You can withdraw your money through PayPal, crypto like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and gift cards like Amazon, Google Play, PlayStation, Xbox, and many others. They also offer several other withdrawal methods like buying skins to the most popular games. Another way to make money on freecash.com is through referral codes. Each user you refer will earn a 100 coin welcome bonus, it's 10 cents, and you will earn a 5% commission of all their future earnings. So is Freecash safe? Freecash itself is pretty safe to use. They don't collect or ask for much personal information at all. And I really like that their privacy policy is short and easy to read. With that said, like all GPT sites, Freecash is just a middleman. When you complete any offer from a third party through freecash.com, you are no longer protected by Freecash's privacy policy. Instead, any info you share is controlled by that third party's privacy policy. While this sounds scary, all it means is that you should be careful about what type of information you provide while completing offers on Freecash. And if you are worried about how your information is going to be used, always read the privacy policy provided on the offer page. I mean, nothing on the internet is 100% safe or private. So as always, we would recommend using a secondary email account and a fresh password for signing up to Freecash. This one simple tip will save you from spam and potential data breaches. So how much money can you make on Freecash? According to the platform's website, you can earn $1 per 5 up to 10-minute survey. Yet, user experiences says for an average early rate for around $2 or $3. The length of an average survey is 20 minutes, and the estimated reward for such a survey would be roughly $1 or less. Of course, a shorter survey would pay somewhat less. Now, a couple of factors affect your ability to make money on these surveys. First of all, most surveys are focused on the US or UK based demographics. This means that if you are living outside of these two countries, the number of available surveys and offering in general will be limited. Free cash pros and cons. Pros: higher than average earning potential, numerous ways to redeem coins, mobile app for Android. Cons: high disqualification rate, no mobile app for iOS, region locked tasks. Is Freecash legit? Let's see some reviews. At the time of recording this video, on Trustpilot, Freecash scores an average 4.6 out of 5. It's fair to say that there are mixed reviews from users about Freecash, but it seems that the positive comments are more than the negative. Some users are happy with their experience and their earnings and have earned from the site more than once, whereas others complain about the lack of available jobs and that limits what they can earn. Others complain about getting disqualified after completing surveys. Others complain about getting banned after requesting to pay out. Unfortunately, however, this is only a small side income opportunity. you will not be able to create a full-time income or get rich from this site. Freecash isn't a bad site, but it's not a good site either. It's not the best way to work online, but you can test out for yourself. My advice is that start learning new things and keep yourself updated. If they work, that is good for you. If you fail, then learn from it and never repeat the mistake. So save your time or invest it to learn something new so that you can create your own online business. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully this video helped you out. You can give me a like, that helps a lot. And bye bye.